Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Joshua Lead and Iron. I just want to get into this Jcymele, Jcymele. They sent this dock over for review. Now, they said it was a Thunderbolt dock. I have a whole ass video on this. I did tests and reset up my whole desk so I can do this review. It ran 3 monitors fine. I mean, it works pretty good for a USB-C dock. On their box, there's nothing there that says this is a Thunderbolt dock. Now, when I first started this and getting into it, if you look right here, you can see that there's a 100-watt USB-C port. And my initial thought was, this is really cool. It has an extra 100-watt USB-C port. Thinking that I would be able to charge something else with 100 watts as well. But coming to find out that this isn't a Thunderbolt cable. That's just a USB-C cable. I was thinking maybe they weren't trying to deceive their customers or anything. And then I remembered the pamphlet that it clearly says USB-C Thunderbolt dock, Thunderbolt 3 dock. And everything just started making sense. Why it was only limited to 10 gigabit. Why I wasn't getting power through this. Another thing with this problem is if you do not have a power cable or a USB-C cable that is rated for over 100 watts or over, you're not going to get 100 watts. You're not going to get that. The USB-C that they sent over doesn't do it either. There's no Thunderbolt cable on here. Usually there's a lightning symbol on there. And there are 0 Thunderbolt ports on here. Even where your PC goes in, it says USB-C, right? Normally it's like Thunderbolt or upstream or something. Now what made me more mad is they're trying to pass this off as a Thunderbolt dock. And I was like, okay, maybe they just maybe something's weird, right? Maybe I'm wrong. So what I did was plug this into my MacBook, and I'll show you the screenshot. It will tell you what's connected to your MacBook. So if you go into your systems report, you can see that there's no extra Thunderbolt ports at all. And this is connected. There's nothing on here that says Thunderbolt, not on their dock. Nowhere. Not on the box. The only thing that says it is right here and the Amazon link, which I'm not going to put the Amazon link in this description. There was a moment where I was just like, okay, they wouldn't really try to be fooling people, right? Maybe it was an honest mistake. It just makes me angry. Now, I don't know how many other reviewers, if any, have reviewed this and called it a Thunderbolt dock. And if they did, they're a damn lie. I started everything. I cleaned my desk up, added monitors, and then started downloading the display link manager. And nothing fell off at that point. I plugged in my T7, and it's a USB-C SSD, so regardless if it was Thunderbolt or not, it would be the same speed. The SD card, it went from 88 read to almost 200 read, so it's doubled, almost tripled. And then when I had it plugged in, now my MacBook started at like 29, 39% battery life. I looked at it and I go, what the f? This isn't charging my MacBook? My MacBook's not charging on this. Huh. That's not a very good. Okay, check this out. It's plugged in, right? So it's running my monitors and it's not even charging my MacBook. Are you telling me I have to use a separate USB-C cable to charge my MacBook? So now I got to take up another port to charge my Mac. And then I was like, oh, so now I got to take up another port to get 100-watt charging. And I have to make sure if I have a 100-watt charger. The only one that I have for that would probably be the MagSafe. I don't charge, a lot of different things at 100 watts. I used a USB-C cable that does like 65 watts, but I had to take up another port. Going through, because before I start doing stuff, I go through and I kind of like hold it like this so I can think about which order I'm going to go. And I'm like, there's no Thunderbolt ports. The Ethernet is only 1,000 megabytes a second or a gig. There was just too many things, too many red flags. I mean, I used it. It works great. It's a nice USB-C dock. As you can tell, this is all like aluminum alloy or something. Very well built. Nice USB-C dock. Ran 3 monitors fine. Ran a 4K monitor fine. It looked like the image I got off of that was crisp, was clear, beautiful. But there is a certain standard that Intel puts for Thunderbolt. There's like certificates that things have to be met just to even call it Thunderbolt. It does 4K. Everything's supposed to be done through one cable, right? Power. It's like a multiple things that it should be able to do with one cable. The big one is the 100-watt charging here, because that should be able to happen through the Thunderbolt cable. And that's what I didn't catch in the beginning. Why I started moving towards tech was I would go and I would look at reviews and it would be just some dude talking about a product that I was interested in. You buy the product and it gets to you and it's not what they said it was. And there's like a lot of different big content creators, right, that glaze over companies just so they don't lose their affiliation or their brand deal or whatever. One, I don't want to be that guy. I come from a fixed income and a budget where I have to budget things out, just like a lot of you guys, I'm sure. So anything I spend is going towards things that help me, but it's also like a lot of consideration goes into it. I understand that it's not just costing you, I don't know, 150 bucks. It's costing you your time away from your family, from your hobbies, from your house. It's making you unhealthy. I mean, there's a lot of things, right? Wear and tear your cars, stuff like that. So it's not just $150. It's what's tied behind it. Now, if they would have said that this was a USB-C dock and said you can charge something at 100 watts using a USB-C dock, we'll take up another port. Those things are fine. Like what you're paying for, that's fine. But if you're saying that it's a Thunderbolt dock when it's not a Thunderbolt dock, you're just lying. Lying to customers, lying to whoever is maybe looking at this to make more or make their work faster so they can get more work and make ends meet. Essentially, Jcymele, they made a conscious decision to put this manual in here, right? I'll show you the Amazon page so you can see what it says. And they made a conscious decision not to put anything on here that says Thunderbolt. It says right here that it's a dock station, right? They don't even give it anything. This is just the company name and the United States. Now, did they do that so they don't get in trouble? So they're just maliciously labeling something what it's not? Making something that is, I mean, this is It feels premium as a USB-C dock. Very premium. As a USB-C dock, this thing is nice. I just can't stand behind something or a company that does things like this maliciously. It's like they're skirting around corners so they don't get in trouble. Their packaging doesn't say anything. Their product doesn't say anything. It's just whatever on the Amazon page and that little user manual. There's no lightning bolts indicating Thunderbolt on anything, and it made me angry. Now this is marketed towards like the Apple Silicon family. The 3 Thunderbolt ports that I have can run monitors. I can also daisy chain Thunderbolt to Thunderbolt. I can't tell you to buy this product. I can tell you that it has a nice selection of stuff. I'll show you again. So it has a nice selection of stuff, and if this was a USB-C dock and they said it was a USB-C dock, I'd be all in on that. But like I said, here it is, the shot again, the screenshot showing you that this is not a Thunderbolt dock, and you'll see on the drop down that it shows like a 3.2 USB-C, and that would be this, and no extra Thunderbolt ports. So Thunderbolt port 0, Thunderbolt port 1, and Thunderbolt port 2 are the MacBook Thunderbolts. Unfortunately, don't buy this if you're looking for a Thunderbolt dock. This is not a Thunderbolt dock, so don't buy it. What makes me angry also is that Amazon, like the review section, that review section is full of people saying that it works great. There was like one guy that was just like, this isn't a Thunderbolt dock. This is why I like to make videos like this. So if you're looking for something and you come across my video, I'm not going to glaze any company. They can keep their whatever they want to send if they want to. I don't omit bad things. I mention bad things. It makes for a better company and a better product for people like me and people like you. And if they don't want to work with me after that, oh well, go kick rock somewhere else. I really don't care. I'm still kind of mad about this when I look at it. That big indicator was plugging it in and not charging my MacBook. I will mention the name. It's Jcymele, Jcymele. That's how Google said that it's pronounced. I'm just gonna also put the name on the screen here so you can see what it looks like. So if you come across it and you're searching for a Thunderbolt dock, don't buy it. But yeah, I'm disappointed in this. I'm disappointed with how their tactics are. I'm disappointed that they're trying to trick people into saying that this is a Thunderbolt dock. Yeah, and I'm not happy with them. Hopefully, if Jcymele, I guess, whatever. If you actually watch this, you need to do better. I don't have a problem saying that this is a nice USB-C hub, right? USB-C dock station, because it is nice. It's a USB-C dock station. Call it what it is. Thunderbolt isn't like a fad word or whatever. It actually does something that passes a lot of data through a single cord. And this product does not do that. Jcymele. You gotta do better. Don't buy this. This doesn't fit Thunderbolt descriptions. It's not a Thunderbolt anything. The only thing Thunderbolt about this is this paperwork. That's it. Don't buy it. It's a USB-C dock. They're trying to trick people into buying a Thunderbolt dock that's USB-C. That's kind of trashy as a company. They can go off somewhere else. Cause yeah. Anyway, I wish I could have brought you a decent dock. If they wouldn't have named it a USB-C dock, this would have been a really nice USB-C dock. But it's a trash Thunderbolt dock because it's not Thunderbolt. If videos like this help you, especially if you're looking at stuff and want to know if it actually works or if it actually is what it's labeled, I will always be truthful on this stuff. I don't care if they send me product or not. If I really need to do a review on something, I'll save up and I'll buy it. But don't buy this one. This is not going to be in the video description. Thanks for spending time with me and listen to me rant about how trash some companies are. Anyway, guys, I gotta go because my back hurts.